For future videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and comment. Because here at Reid Physicians Group, we are here to rebuild, regenerate, and restore. So don't forget to reshare with your family and friends. Well, I know nature cereal has been all the rage. Well, it has been for my children, but I have a nature cereal inspired dessert. You know, when I'm craving something like ice cream or cheesecake, I'll go for Greek yogurt. It's high in protein and it's low in calories. This is actually strawberry cheesecake Greek yogurt, and I'll just load it up with all kinds of fruit. For this one, I have strawberries and blackberries as well as blueberries. And then I take a little bit of granola, which is also a good source of protein, and I sprinkle it over so it gives it that crunch. And what I have is a great dessert, low in calories, high in protein. It leaves me feeling full and satisfied. You have to try it.